All right, and here's the latest that we're getting right now. Angel Chakma murder case. The probe is intensifying further. Uttarakhand police have recovered the weapon, which is a knife. We're given to understand that was allegedly used to stab Angel Chakma. Police team has been sent to Nepal to arrest the prime accused, who I'd mentioned is still absconding. Yagyaraj Avasthi is the name we're given to understand right now. So there, the manhunt has been launched to nab the prime accused, a Nepali citizen, were given to understand. Angel Chakma's probe is intensifying further. Uttarakhand police have recovered the weapon, which is a knife that was allegedly used to stab Angel Chakma in this. So this is the latest that we're getting right now. For more on this, we have Smriti live with us. Smriti, thank you so much for joining us. What can you tell us? The probe has intensified further. A manhunt has been launched also. What's the latest on this?
Well, yes, the weapon has been found and two teams of the police has been now sent to Nepal. As we all know that the sixth accused in the Angel Chakma case is still absconding. You know, he left India and he went to Nepal soon after. You know, he was with 5 of his other friends and he committed the crime. We are currently at that exact same spot where the crime occurred. This was the exact same spot where Angel Chakma and his brother Michael Chakma came, and they were you know, brutally stabbed by the 6-member team. Actually, the plan was to buy liquor from this very same shop, and then after which they were about to head to one of their friends' house. But in between that, when there was a kind of clash between Michael Chakma and Angel Chakma with the other 6 accused, that is when the 2 brothers were attacked. The elder brother, which is Angel Chakma, was then brutally attacked by the 6 accused. Now what we are seeing further is that this place, this very spot where the crime occurred, is only 500 meters away from a police chowki, from that residence where we could find police. But even after that, there was no help provided to both the brothers, and after which, when Michael Chakma finally took his brother to the hospital, he was then admitted there, and after being there for a few days, he succumbed to injuries and he was declared dead. Currently, the police is looking out for the 6 accused. You know, there has been amount which has been, you know, given out that in case anybody who finds the 6 accused, that is the Yagyaraj Avasthi. He is a resident of Nepal. He was working here, working in local shops, and after committing the crime, that is when he escaped this place. He went out to the Nepal, and currently police is looking out for the 6 accused, that is the Yagyaraj Avasthi.
All right, Smriti, thank you so much for bringing us the latest on that. Now we're getting more information on this as well, where the Dehradun police, they claim to